stray cat's come towards us, and he's sitting over there waiting for a nice tuna meal, I think. Do you see him, the stray cat?
There's no tuna, it's early.
He's waiting for his first course. Fish soup. Tuna surprise. What is tuna surprise?
The surprise is tuna.
Oh.
More tuna.
Yeah.
Don't know why they call it tuna surprise.
I was saying, weren't there, if there was a big cat come up there, like a lion or something, he'd go for you first, wouldn't he?
He'll get you.
He'd get you first, because you're the biggest one here.
I might be the biggest one here, but you'd be the one screaming first, not me.
I probably would, actually.
Let's go for the person who makes more noise.
No, I would get the table and put it between me and the lion, and I'd
You
walk.
don't go for it.
And I'd walk slowly backwards towards that door.
You would knock,
You-
you would knock the chair away.
You said you'd run for me. If you ran, the lion would chase after you.
At least I'd lose weight. Because my ass would be like Usain Bolt.
He'd bite your ass.
You wouldn't catch me up like Usain Bolt. That's the time you'll see me run.
He's still waiting for his tuna surprise.
I know, it's rude, isn't it?
I don't do sandwiches here, don't I? Do you think I should have a sandwich?
So either cheese or salami.
Have you got the room card? I might have a sandwich.
Whatever you need a room coffee.
I might as well get another drink. Do you want to film that cat?
Not at the moment. Why it's not doing its business.
No, not always licking it. Private establishment.
Boo's off to get food. Bye. Cat's over there having a good old lick of itself. I think it's a stray because it's really dirty. It's not really looking after itself. It's having a good old clean up. All this building here is having new stuff done. That one right up there, the 6th floor, is the haunted corridor. That's where me and Boo was, and well, not on that bit, it was on this side. Yeah, that's where he was walking down it a bit, and then I quickly went to quickly run, someone's coming, and he ran for his life, and then I started laughing, and he knew I was joking, and then a fucking door slammed behind me or something. Oh my god, did I scream? I was like, help! Shut up. Don't have Humpty Dumpty somewhere else, you stupid bird. Did it make me jump? Since going down that corridor, Boo's had a few nightmares. I've had a couple. It's so creepy. They should tell you the place is haunted, so you don't have to stay there. Well, imagine you was like really out of your head, like pissed or high or something. Can you walk down that in that corridor? You would die or something. Especially that day when the thunder was going on and all, because the wind was howling and that's what was making the door slam. But it still made me jump. When I told Boo someone was chasing us, he was gone. He was the white version of Usain Bolt. Cutie. Waiting for his tuna surprise with his side of tuna and his glass of milk. The service here is terrible, isn't it, Kitty? Nope, doggy. If you go out there, so let's do this way actually. If you go out there and go that way, go So here we can go. Ooh, there's some finger in the thing that way. There's our finger in it now. And keep walking straight. You come to the seaside. All them rooms are getting done. Oh, do day. Boo's getting himself his cheese sandwich, and he's getting a drink. Cause Boo Boo is hungry. Oh, do day. What is the time? 20 minutes, and we've got hand our keys back in. And we've got an hour and 10 minutes to wait till. We'll say about 2, so an hour. Then, and then 10 minutes gotta wait for the thing. So, then we'll be on our way to the airport, buddy. Be on our way to the airport. Then we gotta wait there for another bloody 2 hours. And then our plane takes off at 5:06. Yeah, 5 minutes past 6. Then go back to London Stansted till 7 p.m. Get the coach to Victoria and go to my sister's. I don't think he eats cheese.
Let's do it with cheese. My mum's can't eat cheese. And then give me that one back, is that right?
Yeah, because you got your drink.
It's really hungry, isn't it?
Is he eating it?
Yeah, he ran over to eat it. Oh, poor thing.
Bye, YouTube.